Okay, in this video we will be using the double declining method with linear adjustment for this particular problem right here. Now this problem is very much similar to the previous problem where we just had double declining method. And with linear adjustment, it's important for the end of the problem. And I'll show you what I mean. So very much like double declining method, we have a table. We have year, we have book value at the beginning of the year, we have depreciation charge, and we have book value at the end of the year. And so it says here the initial FCI for a project is $50 million. So the book value at the beginning of year one will be 50 million. So we can do $50 million. Since we're using double declining method, depreciation charge is pretty simple. We call it alpha is equal to 2 because it's double declining method. If it was 150% declining method, you would say 1.5, but it's double declining method, so you say 2 over the number of years. So we have 8, so 2 over 8 will give us 0.25. So we would do 50 times 0.25 to give us 12.5 million for the depreciation change. And book value at the end, you simply do book value at the beginning minus depreciation, and we would get $37.5 million. So now we carry the 37.5 into year 2 for the book value at the beginning of the year, 37.5. And we can say from down here, it's all millions, millions, millions. So now you say 37.5 times 0.25, and we would get 9.375, and 37.5 minus 9.375, we would get 28.125. Likewise, carried over, 28.125 times 0.25, and we would get 7.03125. Subtract it, and we would get 21.0938. So I would say right now you should pause the video and fill out the rest of the table. And after you do so, I'll show you how linear adjustment will affect the ultimate table. And because we're using linear adjustment, the last number has to be the salvage value. So it has to be 7. So this changes to 7. Now you're going from about 9 to 6 to 7. That doesn't make sense. So this value here will also change. And so if these two values are changing, the only way they can change is if depreciation changes. So this changes, and this will also change. So what will the depreciation charge be? And that's pretty simple. So you take this number, the 8.89893, and then you subtract it by your salvage, your 7. So minus 7 divided by 2. This number right here will equal 0.949465. So the depreciation for each of these two numbers will be this number. So we will change this value to this and this value to this. If we do 8.89893 minus this value right here, we would get 7.94947. So then we change this value here, and you would get 7.94947 minus the value here to ultimately give us 7. And that's all you need to do for double declining method with linear adjustment.